This is an excerpt from the book Nursing Poetry Dedicated to Nurses, now available on Amazon.com. The Lady with the Lamp. Mrs. Nightingale, tending to injured soldiers by the light of a lantern in the quiet dark. Late at night she forged a new path by simply doing what it was she was always meant to do, a ministering angel with her own special wings. As nurses, we have her to thank, a beautiful birdsong of healing amongst those young brave men in pain and despair. Her life was a dedicated flight as she soared from bed to bed, cleaning, calming, dressing, and stitching. Mrs. Nightingale, a pioneer of hope for generations of nurses and countless patients in need. Heroic and humble, she devoted her life to the task of healing. The Lady with the Lamp will glow within our hearts forever. Visit our site at nursingpoetry.com for more inspirational poetry and to sign up for our newsletter. And thank you for watching. Please share this with others who might like it.